Why do Republicans seem to hate women so much? During the most recent congressional elections, Republicans and Tea Party activists claimed that their number one issue was the economy and the creation of jobs. Yet, in the newly Republican-controlled Congress, or at least the House, the focus seems to be on taking health care away from millions of vulnerable and low-income women under the guise of anti-abortion legislation. Number one in their sights seems to be Planned Parenthood. Now, for more than 30 years, it's been against the law to use federal funds to pay for subsidized abortion services. Now, however, Republicans seem to think it's a good idea to take away all federal funding from any organization that provides abortion services, regardless of whatever other health care they provide their patients. This makes no sense whatsoever. Planned Parenthood provides family planning services to millions of female patients each year. Many of their patients are uninsured and use these centers as their primary means of getting medical services such as cancer screenings, STD/STI screenings, health education, and other services. However, the fact that roughly 3%, all of 3% of Planned Parenthood's activities are abortion-related seems to merit a complete defunding of all their programs. This would eliminate for millions of women access to healthcare services which are completely unrelated to abortion. Indeed, many of the services they provide are intended to prevent unwanted and unintended pregnancies in the first place. If Planned Parenthood was so hell-bent on performing as many abortions as possible, why would they put so much effort into preventing pregnancies to begin with? It makes no sense, and neither do these Republicans' legislative efforts. By helping to prevent unwanted and unintended pregnancies, Planned Parenthood helps millions of low-income women avoid all those complications, and even saves the government money, because prevention is always cheaper than treatment. Take a minute to think about this. Does it make sense to strip funding away from a group that does so much to help ensure the health of millions of women, merely because around 3% of their activities are abortion-related? Get in touch with your representatives and senators and urge them to get their dogmatic heads out of their asses and take these bills away from consideration. Also urge them to stop wasting their time being misogynistic and to start working on the issues they claim to have been elected to address. Not that those ideas are any better, but that's a different issue. Thanks for watching.
Well, the American people, if they are listening, are scratching their heads and wondering, what does this have to do with me getting a job? What does this have to do with reducing the deficit?